Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today in this video I will show you guys how you can use Coinmarketcap in the most efficient way. So this video is going to be a Coinmarketcap tutorial video, but in this playlist we also have videos, and in those videos I showed you guys how you can get free airdrops on CoinMarketCap, how you can get free rewards by collecting diamonds on CoinMarketCap, and how you can earn free money just by answering some quiz questions which I gave you even the answers. So I suggest you to check those videos out from the card that pops up on your screen, and then you can watch this video and become a fully professional CoinMarketCap user. So first, obviously, you should create your CoinMarketCap account, and I will give a link in the description box below so you can create your CoinMarketCap account. And after you created your CoinMarketCap account, as you see, there are different types of categories, there are different types of information on your screen, and we're going to be talking about each one of these. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. Now let's start off with cryptocurrencies tab. So the first one is ranking, and the ranking is the most used feature in CoinMarketCap because basically everyone uses CoinMarketCap's ranking system. So when I click on ranking, you see this screen opens up, and this is the part that everyone uses on CoinMarketCap. We check different cryptocurrencies prices, market caps, volumes, circulating supplies, and so we're not going to be talking about this because everyone knows how to use this. You can, for example, I will show you on Bitcoin. When I click on it, as you see, it shows me the lowest of the 24-hour process, highest price, 24-hour volume, circulating supply, market cap, and fully diluted market cap. And also we can see how many people added Bitcoin to their watch list. We can see its white paper, we can see its source code, we can reach out to its website, and we can see Bitcoin's tags. As you see, we can see its algorithm, we can see the category and which portfolios, which capitals invested in Bitcoin. That applies to all cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, not just for Bitcoin. You can find their website, their white paper, their source code, and their tags. And on right here, we can see, as you see, there are different options. We can see its market rank. When I click on show more, we can see its all-time high price. We also can see its all-time low price, which shows 9 years ago and $65. We can see Bitcoin ROI, circulating supply, total supply, and maximum supply. So when we take a look at the categories, as you see, there are different categories, and it's not just about crypto, it's about world. It says tourism, it says transport, it says rebates, energy, research. So for example, you think that energy category will blast this year because the country's need for energy will rise. So when we click on energy, we can see different crypto projects about energy, and maybe you would want to invest in these projects. So this categories tab is useful for most cases. And other than that, we can also see, as you see, DeFi, NFT, Metaverse, Polkadot, BNB chain, different ecosystems and different categories. For example, if I click on DeFi, we can see the most popular DeFi project, and there's a ranking from the one which has the most market cap, 24-hour volume, and circulating supply to the least one. As you see, we can scroll down and we can see different DeFi projects. We can also see other categories like NFT, Metaverse, Polkadot. Let's have a look at the Metaverse. So you see there are different projects: Decentraland, the Sandbox, Axie Infinity. So this was the categories part, and this is one of the most useful parts on CoinMarketCap. So when we have a look at the spotlight, we can see different three options. The first one is trending, the second one is biggest gainers, and the third one is biggest losers. So the first one is the ones who are trending right now. So for example, this movie block went up 150% yesterday, so it's one of the trending coins. And as you see, there are different other projects you might know. These are trending. People are researching and buying or selling or talking about this, so that's why they're trending. Here we can see the biggest gainers in 24 hours, and if we click on this, as you see, we can change it. Right now it shows us the biggest gainers, and on here we can see the biggest losers. So for example, Spook Inu lost all of its value in 24 hours, so you can use this, know more about and learn what happened in the last 24 hours about specific cryptocurrencies. And under cryptocurrencies tab, there's my favorite feature, as you see, historical snapshots. So let's click on this and I'll show you guys why it's my favorite. We can see different dates and different days which random historical snapshots was taken. So for example, let's click on August 11 of 2013. When we click on it, we can see Bitcoin's price on that date. For example, Bitcoin was $105 on August 11 and 2013, and this is incredible because you can use this website to see how the cryptocurrency market grow in 9 years. So as I said, you can use this historical snapshots to take a look at the past and maybe have a comment on the future. So now let's just jump to our exchanges tab. So when we click on spot, we see the most favorite and most trustable exchanges. For example, the first one is Binance, the second one is FTX, the third one is Coinbase Exchange, and so on. So you can use this to know and learn more about cryptocurrency exchanges. So as you see, we can see different spot exchanges. We can see their 24-hour volume. We can see their average liquidity, weekly visits, markets, coins, and supported fiats. And we also can see their 7-day volume graph. So when we click on derivatives, we can see different derivative exchanges, and as you see, the ranking has changed. Well, this first one is still Binance, but Coinbase and FTX is not on this list because we've chosen derivatives, which some exchanges don't have this option on their website, on their platform. So this ranking has changed, so we can see different other projects and exchanges. And we can also see DEX, which is decentralized exchanges. So the first and the most popular one is DYDX, and so on. It continues, and we can see 24-hour volume, type, and the launch date. And we can also see their 7-day volume graph. So under our NFT tab, we can see different things. For example, we can see overall NFT stats. And we can see the most popular projects which has the most market cap, the projects which has the most sales, projects average price, and sales. We can see different information about different NFT projects and collections. Under our top collections, as you see, we can see it's the top collections based on volume, estimated market cap, floor price, and average price. And we also can see upcoming sales. So for example, we can see Space Convicts in 8 hours. The sale will begin in 8 hours, and we can see the sale info, pre-sale price, and sale price. So Cryptown is more like a Twitter for cryptos. As you see, people are sharing their different ideas. You can find different ideas from different people. You can talk with people. You can even post new posts, and you can share your feelings about the market. I can say I'm bullish or I'm bearish. We can see the trending ones. We can create our profile and all that. And as I said, it's actually like crypto version of Twitter. Now let's continue with portfolio. As you see, we can create our portfolio and we can add different information. Let's name it our channel and let's create our portfolio. So we can add new coins and new projects on right top of our screen, as you see when we click on this button. For example, let's add Ethereum, and we will add on which price and how many Ethereums we bought. So for example, let's choose $2,500 and let's say we bought 3. So it shows us how much money spent for Ethereum, and when we add transaction, so you see it shows my portfolio as $46,157 because I added 1 Bitcoin and 3 Ethereums, and it shows my profit and loss, as you can see. So I said I bought it at $2,500, and now it's $2,530. So that's why it shows I'm in profit. It says you have $86 profit. So this is one of the most useful and most efficient methods to use on Coinmarketcap. You can also use any of these methods on your mobile Coinmarketcap account. We will also publish a video about Coinmarketcap's mobile app soon. So don't forget to turn on notifications to not to miss out on those videos. So we've covered portfolio, and let's continue with our watch list. So this is my watch list. As you see, I've added different projects to my watch list, and I'm currently on a daily basis following their prices, their volumes, their circulating supplies, and so on. Because I added all to my watch list, I can just click on my watch list and see all the projects that I'm interested in. So to do that, you should click on watch list, and as you see that it says add coins. Let's click on this, and you can see we can add all the projects we want to our watch list. And for example, let's add USD coin USDC, and when we click on selects, now we've added USD coin and we can see it on our watch list. We can also share our watch list by clicking. Maybe you want to share your watch list with your friends, or maybe with people you know. You can click on share and copy this link and paste it, copy this link and send to your friends or whoever you want to send to this link. Now, I've already talked about products in our Coinmarketcap playlist. I talked about how you can get free airdrops on Coinmarketcap, how you can get free rewards on Coinmarketcap, and how you can earn crypto just by answering some basic quiz questions, which I gave you the answers to those questions, so you can just watch our video and make free money. But there's also two different features that I haven't mentioned in our previous video. First one is ICO calendar. Under our ICO calendar, we can see the ongoing projects, and we can see when these projects will end. And as we can see that night sale and their goal to raise $150,000, and we can see there are different projects too. And we can also see upcoming projects. As you see, it starts in 14 hours, and the goal, we can see the goal, this one will start in 2 days. So you can participate in these sales just by checking these under products ICO calendar and learn more about the projects that you want to join to their pre-sales or ICOs or IDOs. And the second one is events calendar. So we can see a calendar for different events. For example, RebelBot DEX listing will take place on 15 March 2022 UTC or earlier, and 20 people liked it, so that means it's probably true. And we can find more about different projects. As you see, we can learn about AMA events. You see RebelBot's AMA. It says, the postponed AMA event will take place on our Discord channel on March 16. We can see different airdrop news. We can learn more about partnerships, and we can learn all of these things from our products under products and events calendar tab. So our last feature is learn. So under learn tab, we can see different things to learn more about cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and Web 3.0 and metaverse projects. So when we click on Alexandria, we can read the latest articles about different projects, and we can choose their category. We can choose altcoins, Bitcoin, DeFi, Ethereum, metaverse, and we can read about different projects and learn more about it. And as you see, there are different things. For example, it says easy for this one, but hard for this one. So you can choose your level and read all about these things to know more about the topics that you're interested in. And you can also subscribe to Coinmarketcap's newsletter to get updates and get weekly reports on your mail address. So you can use that feature too. And our last system on Coinmarketcap is diamond collecting system. So I talked about it in our previous video, and that video will pop up on your screen right now, so you can watch that video. You can collect diamonds for free, and with the diamonds you collected for free, you can buy different items, and I will show you guys an example. So as you see, I've been nearly collecting for about 3 months, and I have 2,600 diamonds. And in the previous video, I talked about you can buy different NFTs, different projects with the diamonds you collect for free. And yesterday, as you see here, I bought Polkadot's first NFT parachain for 300 diamonds, which you can collect your 300 diamonds in 2 weeks. So if you watched our video, you may be able to buy this Polkadot's first NFT parachain, and you might be one of the lucky ones to see and get one of the Polkadot's first NFT parachains. So this pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And don't forget to create your Coinmarketcap account from the link that I gave you in the description box below and start using Coinmarketcap like a real coin engineer. So see you guys in the next video.